Hi, in this video, I am going to continue with a blockchain demo, and I will explain what if we have some transactions, some real world examples. So here it's just the same logic. You cannot change the transactions. For example, Emily sends 10 Bitcoin to Jackson. In this regard, no one can claim that, okay, Emily just sent 7 Bitcoin to Jackson. If someone wants to do that, they have to mine the block again and this block again, and they have to do the same process for every single block. But in this regard, as I have mentioned before, we have some other peers as well. For example, here it goes like 68 AD, and here the last block is BAA0 and BAA0. This means a majority will be considered as valid because two peers has claimed that, okay, this blockchain on peer A is not correct. It's different. This is just with 3 peers. We can have normally thousands of nodes. All right. So that's the beauty of blockchain. That's what we mean by immutability. You cannot change data. And if you really want to do that, you have to go to every single node and at least 51% of the nodes and change every single one of them, which is practically not possible. So, but in this regard, there's a problem. Okay, for example, Emily wants to send 7 Bitcoin to Jackson, but does Emily have this amount of Bitcoin? So that's the question that occurs here. So to be able to understand this, let's first see Coinbase transactions. So here we actually have a Coinbase, which means, okay, Anders has like 100 Bitcoin. And now I can check if Anders can do all of those transactions. For example, can he send 10 Bitcoin to Sofia? Yes, because he has this amount of Bitcoin. And can he also do those transactions as well? Yes, he has this amount of Bitcoin. And we also can check if anyone has the Bitcoin that they want to send. For example, here Ryan sent Carter 6 Bitcoin, but I don't know if Ryan has this amount of Bitcoin. Since I have the hash of the previous block, I can go back to previous block and check it. Does anyone send Ryan at least 6 Bitcoin? So let's see it. Yes, Jackson sent 15 Bitcoin to Ryan. So this means Ryan can send this amount of Bitcoin to Alexander. So this is the beauty of this system. You can even check the previous blocks and see if someone has that amount of Bitcoin that they want to send. Okay, so this is the whole process. We just went step by step to be able to understand everything. You can just visit the website and play around. It's also very important for you to see the steps on your own. And we also made sense of a lot of terms that we have seen before. For example, nonce value, difficulty level, transactions, and how are miners getting all of those transactions from transaction pool and how are they selected. So those are important questions, and try to follow the same steps and understand it on your own as well. So that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.